To take attendance as a teacher, you will need to start the class first. This will make the class available for students to join. Ask your student to join the class before taking attendance. Students who don't join the class will not be included in the attendance. When you are ready to take attendance, go to Attendance page from the side menu and click on the Take Attendance button to capture the attendance of the class. To see detailed attendance record of a student, click on the row with student's name. The application will render detailed attendance log of the selected student for the current session. The attendance history is stored on your browser's cache. You can download it in the text file format or CSV file format. You have the option to sync the attendance data to your Google Drive. We recommend having this option turned on so that all your attendance data are uploaded to your Google Drive automatically.